So, it's time to do a follow-up review on my Detroit axle suspension here. We are testing its metal in stock configuration, and it seems to have some nice flex to it. It's doing good. We've been taking a really bumpy road to get out here. We are at an undisclosable location, of course. You know, doing like wizard training and stuff like that, or something. I don't know. We were on our way to Trump Tower to have a meeting with Don Jr.
We wanted to talk about Russian adoptions.
Yeah, we wanted to talk about Russian adoption. I made it up that little hill, and now to the Jaggities. Okay, so I'm gonna go right through, and we're just gonna slowly. Oh. Pretend that was nothing. These tires so far have not even made me have to use the all-wheel drive. That bump there. Alright. We got a pretty laser light show in the background. Lightning is kind of spectacular tonight.
And yes, that is a cat on the left side of the screen.
Hello, little kitty. All right.
We have found civilization.
It's like just, I can't complain. This feels like a brand new truck, man.
Right, not bad for being 16 years old, huh?
Like I'm going cautiously slow, and I don't even feel like I have to be going that slow. I could probably rough it over those things. So, that about wraps it up.
So yes, the Detroit axle suspension and the brand new...
Worth every little penny that you pay for.
Right, and the tires, man.
What a great deal, what a great company. I'm just so glad that they exist.
Right, thank you, Detroit Axle.
Y'all click the like button and share this video, okay? Thanks.
Yep, and don't forget to check the dingy bell, make sure you're subscribed.